You will never make this amount from YouTube because no one shows you how to make these types of history documentary videos. While searching, I found one channel which uploads simple history documentaries, and with just 10 videos, this channel gained more than 270,000 subscribers. And not only that, when I searched on Social Blade, I found that this channel earns $24,000 every month just from AdSense revenue alone. And when I searched on YouTube, I found no proper videos showing how to make these documentaries. But if you are watching this video, you are in the right place, because in this video, I will break down every step, from creating a brand new YouTube channel, to finding the best script for the video, to getting images for each line of the script and converting them into videos. And not only that, I will also show you how to use ChatGPT to find SEO-optimized titles and descriptions, and how to create a thumbnail for the video using free AI tools. Everything in one single video. And make sure to join Telegram from the description link, because to create these types of videos, I used multiple detailed prompts in this video, and to make things easier, I put all the prompts in a PDF and uploaded it on Telegram, and you can access it completely free. So, make sure to join it. Let's move on to the first step, which is channel creation. This is the most crucial part, because if the branding of your channel is good, then viewers will automatically be attracted. And for that, the first thing we need is a catchy channel name and a good-looking logo for our channel. For this, we will use ChatGPT. But before that, we need prompts. I hope you have already downloaded the PDF. Now simply open it, and you can see multiple prompts there. I have already created headings so you can use them easily. Now first, copy the channel name heading prompt. This is designed to give you unique, easy-to-remember channel names. Next, go back to GPT and paste it there. You will see the number 50 written in the prompt, which denotes how many channel names you want. You can change this number according to your preference. I simply go with 50 and then click on Enter. After that, ChatGPT starts processing and gives me 50 channel names to choose from. Now go through each name and select the one you like. Once you have selected the channel name, it's time to generate a logo for our channel. And for that, again, we use ChatGPT. Simply head over to the document and you will see the heading called Logo. Copy this whole prompt from there, go back to ChatGPT, and paste it. After that, you will see a space provided that says, your channel name. Now simply copy your chosen channel name and paste it in that space. Once done, hit enter, and ChatGPT will start generating a logo for you. And here you can see, it successfully generated the logo, which looks absolutely insane. Simply click on the download option and save this logo. And even if you don't like this logo, don't worry. Just ask ChatGPT, give me prompt instead for logo. Hit enter, and the chatbot will provide you with a new logo prompt. Now copy that whole prompt and go to the Leonardo AI website. Once you are on the website, you will see this big image option. Simply click on it, and you will be redirected to the main dashboard. Here, you need to first click on the prompt box and paste your copied prompt. Next to it, you will see the model option. Click on it, and many options will open. I tried almost every model, and literally, the second model, Lucid Realism, gives awesome results. Simply click on it, then close the model tab. After that, below, you will see image dimension options. Choose the 1:1 option from here, and then click on Generate. It will start generating an image, and in just a few seconds, it will give you 4 logos. Now, simply go through each image and choose the one you like best. I simply chose this one and clicked on Download, and it was successfully downloaded. Now, it's time for actual channel creation. For that, simply open youtube.com and you will be redirected to the website. Here, you will see the sign-in option. Simply click on it. After that, you'll be redirected to a new page. Now, click on Create Account, and you'll see 2 options, for my personal use or for work. Many people choose the second option, which is meant for business purposes only. So, simply choose for my personal use. I also go with that. After this, you need to enter your channel name. Paste the name you chose earlier, and then hit Next. After that, it will ask for more details like your date of birth, gender, mobile number, password, etc. Fill in all the details, and your channel will be ready to go. Now to make it even more engaging, let's add a logo to it. For that, simply click on Customize Channel, and you'll be redirected to YouTube Studio. Here, you can see the picture option. Click on Upload, then upload your logo. Once it's uploaded, click on Save, and then on Publish. And that's it, your channel is now ready. Now, it's time to upload a video on it. But before that, we need to create an engaging video. So, let's head over to the video creation process. Now from here, simply follow the steps I am doing. First, head over to ChatGPT, and here we need to make ChatGPT understand what we want. So, we simply ask ChatGPT to analyze the same channel, and then give us more details, so that ChatGPT will work to his full potential. Let's do it. For that, simply go to Google Doc and scroll down, and you will see the heading called Channel Analysis. Now simply copy this whole prompt from here, and go back to ChatGPT, and then paste the prompt you just copied. After that, you will see this text called your channel name. Simply, here we need to paste the reference channel link. For that, head over to this YouTube channel, and from here, copy the channel link. You don't need to go anywhere. I will paste this channel link in the doc so you can access it easily. After that, go back to ChatGPT and paste the channel link here. And after that, simply click on next, and then ChatGPT will start analyzing the link you have provided. This step is not crucial, but to make ChatGPT understand what we want, we need to do this. Once it successfully generates all the details, like what is the theme of the channel, such as history or entertainment, and after that, it generated some viral videos topic lists from the reference channel, so that ChatGPT gets an idea about what is popular nowadays. And below, there is a video creation process. You can read it if you want. Otherwise, I am going to show you how to make it. Simply follow the video next. And once it has generated all the details, now we need viral video topic ideas to make the video. For that, go to the doc, and you will see this topic heading. Simply copy this whole prompt from here, and then go back to ChatGPT and paste it there. Here you will see how many numbers of topics you want. You can go with any number. I simply go with 5 topics, and then simply click on next, and it starts generating viral video ideas. And in seconds, it successfully generates 5 viral topics to create. Now simply choose any. I simply choose the first one. And once you have selected your topic, we need a script for our topic. For that, again, go to the doc, and you will see this script heading. Simply copy this whole prompt from here, and then go back to ChatGPT. And here you will see this line saying, your chosen topic. Simply select it, and then paste your chosen topic here. I simply copy it from above, and then paste it here. And below, you can see this prompt is designed to give you a script longer than 5,000 to 6,000 words. But since this is a tutorial video, I simply decrease the numbers to 500 to 600 characters. You can go with a bigger number for bigger videos. I go with a smaller one. And after that, click on next, and then ChatGPT will give you a script based on your requirement. Now, once we have the script, we need to extract voiceover from it. For that, again, we use a free AI tool. For that, simply first copy this whole script from here and head over to DubDub AI. And once you're in, simply register using any Gmail, and then you will get 10 credits for trial. Now for generating a voiceover, simply click on AI voiceover here, and then it starts loading and redirects you to this dashboard. Now simply click on the screen and paste your copied script. Below, you can see that you can paste up to 10,000 characters in one go, and next to it, you can see the estimated time. Now for generating a voice, simply click on this play button. But we need to choose the perfect voice for that. Simply click on More Voiceover, and here you will see multiple voices. Now we need to filter it first, so simply click on the quality option and choose Ultra from here, and high quality voices will be shown. Now click on Age, and then choose Senior, and only the voices we want will show. Now listen to multiple voices from here.
Once upon a time in a small village, there lived a young girl. She was known for her kindness and love for animals.
Time in a small village, there lived a young...
And here I like this one. So simply click on it and then click on Select. And once everything is done, simply click on this play option, and it starts generating a voice for you. And once it's done, simply listen to the voice.
Destroyed, where scrolls containing lost inventions, scientific breakthroughs, and ancient philosophies survive.
It's amazing. Now simply click on Export, and then choose MP3, and it starts downloading. Now we have the voiceover. Now we need visuals for our video. And for that, again, we need this doc. So simply head over to the PDF, and here you will see 2 options. One saying, if small script is used, which means if you're just using these prompts for a trial, you must use the small script. Then, for generating images, you'll need these prompts. But if you're using a long script, then you need to use the second prompt. I'll show you that. First, I use the small script here. So simply copy this first prompt from here, and then paste it into ChatGPT. After that, hit Next, and it will start generating image prompts. In just a few seconds, you'll see that ChatGPT generated 2 things. First, the same line from the script, and second, the image prompts for that same line. Now you can see how easily I generated these prompts for my small script, but when we try to do this with long scripts, it doesn't give proper results. That's why I gave you the second prompt to use. Like here, I generated a script with around 1,200 words, which is long and can easily create a video longer than 10 minutes. And after that, we need image prompts for it. So simply head back to the doc, copy this second prompt from there, come back to ChatGPT, and paste it. Then hit Next, and ChatGPT will ask you to give a small portion of your script. For that, simply go to your script, choose a short paragraph, copy it, and paste it there. Then hit Next, and ChatGPT will start processing and provide you with image prompts to use. So, this is how you can use this prompt effectively. Now, back to our video. Here we have our image prompts. so let's generate images for them. Simply head to Leonardo AI and click on the big image option here. You'll be redirected to the dashboard. Now, first, we need an image prompt for generating the images. So, go back to ChatGPT, copy the first image prompt from there, and then come back to Leonardo AI. Here, you'll see this prompt box. Simply click on it and paste your prompt here. Next to it, you'll see the model option. Click on it and choose the second option, which is lucid realism. After choosing, close this model tab. Below you can see the image dimensions option. Simply choose 16:9 and then click on generate. It will start generating 4 images for you, and here it has successfully generated 4 images that look insane. Now simply go through each image and choose the one that looks best. Let's generate another one. Simply copy the next prompt from ChatGPT, paste it into Leonardo AI and click on generate. Again, it gave us completely insane results. Now, generate all the images from here. I've generated all the images. Now simply click on the download option and download each image one by one. And now that we've generated all the images, it's time to convert these images into a video, and we'll do this again using free AI tools. But before that, we need video prompts to convert these images into videos. For that, again go to the doc, and you'll see the 7th prompt saying video prompts. Simply copy this whole prompt from there, then come back to ChatGPT and paste it here. After that, simply click on Next, and ChatGPT will start generating video prompts. Here, it gives us prompts in the same way it gave us for image prompts, like first, the line from the script, and then the video prompt attached to it. When it finally generates all the prompts, simply copy the first prompt from here, and then head over to the Flow website. Here, you get 1,000 credits per month for free, and each video needs only 20 credits, and it even generates videos with sound. As you can see, I currently have only 880 credits left. Now, to convert images into videos, first click on the VO3 option, and then select the landscape option from here. Next, choose VO3 Fast, and select one from here, which costs you just 20 credits. After that, simply click on the text to video option, then choose frames to video, and click on the plus icon from here. Now click on upload, and upload your images. Once uploaded, simply click here, choose landscape, then click on crop and save, and it will start uploading. When it's uploaded, simply click here again, and paste your copied prompt into the box. Then, click on this arrow, and it will start generating your video. While it's generating, let's add all the images one by one. When it's done, let's check out the results we got. Simply click on the first video and hit play, and you'll see how beautifully it generated the video. Complete with sounds. Let's check another one. Click play again. And once again, the result looks absolutely insane. Now, let's download each video. Simply click on the download option, choose 720p, and download each video one by one. You can also download them in 1080p, but that takes around a minute. You can wait.